Alright, welcome back. Quick video showing what I'm doing. Haven't done much lately. I've been busy doing real life stuff, but trying to get some stuff done this weekend. Putting all the airlines for the gear doors and the mains and the lock-unlock air cylinders. So you guys see all that. I'm running. I was going to put the manifold back here, but it's kind of heavy, so I'm trying to push everything as far forward. So I come up with that whole idea. I can unscrew the manifold, and if I need to pull the tank out, I still can. So I also went ahead and glued in this back mount here, and that's just simply to give a hard point for the UATs and possibly the pumps. I got to find out something first, if I want to put them there or not. And I got the motors using these, of course, jet months, of course. The new M166TS, pretty sharp motors, twin igniters, light, fuel efficient, brushless motor, brushless pump, and some pretty cool wiring stuff that I've never seen before either, so that's kind of nice. But the problem with that is, let me sit down here, I don't want to sit in the epoxy, is this. You know, originally I bought this jet because I wanted the turbines in the tail, never something different. Thought it'd be a cool idea. Now I'm kind of regretting it. This is going to be a pain in the ass to get in there. Their system, and you can kind of see it, there's these little channels here with an angle right there, and they just got these flimsy ass pieces of wood, like light ply, you know, like their typical stuff, that you slide in that groove and just lock. And because it's pushing forward on the top and bottom, it shouldn't go forward. So it allows you to, like, the theory of it is to basically be able to just slide it right out. The mounts, you can kind of see it there. They're kind of, you know, they're not too wide as some I've seen, but they're about 1 inch wide. And with those on there, and it's not a separate piece of metal, it's actually part of the top little piece. So you got a top piece and then a bottom piece, and they bolt together as a clamp, and the top piece is attached to that mounting square or rectangle. So because of that, it's too wide to fit in there. You take that off, I mean, you can slide the engine, you know, right in here, no problem. And I can take the engine and come from the back, or the front to the back, and get it in here with the clamp. But there's no way to mount those things with that stuff. So what it looks like I'm going to have to do is to tear all this crap out and just make my own mounting system. And I am completely not wanting to do that. I am almost no motivation for this project because of all the issues as it is. The repaint's killing me. I haven't even got to any of that. I mean, I'm guessing once I get it together, I'll get motivated to do that. But this is just, gosh, ugh. You know, so yeah. I'm gonna post on the forums and see what other people have done and how they did it. The thing of what I do have to do is you have to angle these things towards the CG, which the CG is on this front beam that runs right across. So basically what you'll do, put the beam in and take some string and run it back, or put a little laser back to kind of give yourself a way to aim those turbines at this point. So it might be easier to kind of show it like this. So yeah, so it'd be kind of like that, going towards the CG. So, but anyways, that's what I've done so far. I think I showed you guys that. Those are in there. The ECS vents. Mounts are made for the tanks. I gotta hard mount these once I get all the airline stuff in and decide where I'm going to put my vents. I got some flush mount type vents coming from the new high flow BVMs, where they actually have little little plugs for the flags. So never really been a big fan of those, but I figured might as well give it a try. I normally just take a piece of big brass tubing and just push the line up on it. So we'll see how this one goes. But yeah, I've got everything for it. I just gotta finish it. So I got a few weeks before I'm supposed to leave town. Hopefully I can get it finished, like the install, and then start prepping for paint before it gets too hot and humid anyway. So but yeah, we're getting there. So you guys take it easy. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get as much done as this weekend as I can, because I just haven't taken a break this weekend. I was stuck in Dallas airports all weekend last weekend because of the storms, flying to Nashville and then up to Tennessee, up to Campbell, interview stuff, then back here. So just life. Anyways, you guys have a good one, and I'm gonna get back to it. Actually, I'm gonna take a break and grab a bite to eat and have a beer. You guys take it easy.